Good morning, students. Now, distribution of population density. In last class, we studied about the population density and the types of population density. Highest population density found in the world, Monaco and Macau, and the world population density according to 2015, 47 per square person per square kilometer, and the maximum population density found in which continent? Asia continent, 117 square per square person per square kilometer. Clear? Now here distribution of population density. Population density distribution also found uneven in the world. We can be described, the world can be divided into 5 parts. World can be divided into 5 parts. The point of view of population density. The 5 part, first here, area of very high population density, where we count more than 250 person per square kilometer. Area of high population density, where 100 to 250 person per square kilometer density found, where area of average density 10 to 100 person per square kilometer. Area of low density 1 to 10 person per square kilometer, and area of very low population density less than 1 person per square kilometer. Clear? Now here, area of very high density more than 250 person per square kilometer population density. These regions are included in this, where these regions also classified in the three subparts: eastern, southern, and the southeast Asia, where the river valley regions, and in the river valley region here the agricultural land found, and the high fertile soil found here, and here high production here. So here high population found here in this region, eastern, south, and southeast Asia. Next, western and middle Europe. In western and middle Europe, here the found minerals and the new technology, here the industrialization and the urbanization. So here high population density found in this region, western and middle Europe. Next here, northeastern America. In northeastern America, here European migrates in this region, and here found the many resources, so the people settle there, and here major industry region in this region, so employment also here the high. Then here population density found here the high in this region. So these regions have the suitable condition for living, and the life level also here the increase day by day of these region. So here population density found high, very high population density found in this region, more than 250 person per square kilometer population density found in this region. These regions are eastern, southern, and southeast Asia, western and middle Europe, northeastern America. Clear? Next, area of high density. Here 100 to 250 person per square kilometer. Area of high population density here 100 to 250 person per square kilometer population found here. So southern and southeastern and eastern Europe, this region here the where 100 to 250 person per square kilometer population density found. Southern and southeastern and eastern Europe. Clear? Middle part of North America, coastal region of South America and Africa, and central India. Here the found population density 100 to 250 person per square kilometer. These regions are southern and eastern Europe. So Europe में maximum part, southern or eastern part of the Europe include in this 100 to 250 person per square kilometer, and middle part of the North America also include here, and coastal region of South America and Africa continent also here the found 100 to 250 person per square kilometer. In central India also here 100 to 250 person per square kilometer. Next, number third, area of average density. 10 to 100 person per square kilometer. 10 to 100 person per square kilometer found in this region. Grassland of Asia, America, North America, South America are included in this temperate grassland region, and temperate grassland region and subtropical grassland regions also include in this. In these grassland found the conditions for animal husbandry, commercial animal husbandry, ठीक है, nomadic animal husbandry. So here also found the population 10 to 100 person per square kilometer. Clear? Next here, area of low population density 1 to 10 person per square kilometer. 1 to 10 person per square kilometer. Here the found low population density. ठीक है, लो पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी दिस रीजन सूडान, लीबिया, मालागासी इन अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट. सूडान, लीबिया एंड मालागासी. सूडान, लीबिया एंड मालागासी इन अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट. कनाडा, अर्जेंटीना, पेरू. कनाडा इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट. अर्जेंटीना, पेरू, इक्वेडोर. अर्जेंटीना, पेरू, इक्वेडोर इन साउथ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट. अर्जेंटीना, पेरू, इक्वेडोर इन साउथ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट. एंड वेस्टर्न साइबेरिया. वेस्टर्न साइबेरिया. वेस्टर्न साइबेरिया. What is Siberia? Siberia is the part of the Russia Asian part. यानी Russia country in two continent, Europe and Asia. The Russian part of Asia is called Siberia, and Western Siberia here also found 1 to 10 person per square kilometer population density. In Gulf countries of the Asia also here found 1 to 10 person per square kilometer population density. And the last, area of very low population density. Area of very low population density, less than 1 person per square kilometer. Less than 1 person per square kilometer population density found in these regions. These regions are not have the suitable condition for living. Very cold region, very hot region, very dry region, mountainous region, desert region where the no population found. These regions are included in this category. Very low population density region, less than 1 person per square kilometer population density found in this region. So there are the world can be divided into the 5 parts according to the population distribution of population density. So these regions have the suitable condition for living, where the suitable condition for living, suitable climate. Here the plain region where high population density found. This region approx 250% per square kilometer, and these region have the no condition for the living, low unsuitable condition where these unsuitable climate where population found very low, less than 1 person per square kilometer. So these regions are very cold region, very hot region, very dry, mountainous and the desert region.